Making a 1 to 5 or 1 to 3 scale model takes a lot of time. Usually it takes a few months, and it seems like I do nothing sometimes, but projects just require time. Of course I will continue to make proper scale models, but I also will add a small scale projects in between. I will use 1 to 16 scale. That's definitely far away from the industry standards, but I will save a lot of time. I will concentrate on the process instead of building a big complicated model. I will show you how to read sketches, achieve symmetry, and do other little tricks. I will save another big portion of time printing the base. Of course you can use PVC or plywood. I have a few videos where I show how to do it. I will use the sketch to make a model. Alright, let's start to print. Let me show you a 3D printing process in more detail. First, we will need a model. In my work I use FreeCAD and Blender. Today I'll use FreeCAD. Okay, we have an STL file exported. Now we need to slice it and save it on the SD card. I use Ultimaker Cura for that task. I adjust the part in the working area of the printer. That part is a little bit bigger than the work surface. I rotate it on 30 degrees. Now it's okay. Part number 1. Base. Okay, let's install the SD card. Turn on the printer. Open the menu and choose Print from TF. By the way, I use the Creality Under 3 Pro. Let's wait for the printer to preheat the nozzle and table. That's how the printing process starts. I will not speed it up. I've been using a printer for a few years, but I still enjoy watching how it works. By the way, that's not a sponsored video. I bought all materials and tools myself. I'll be honest, I increased the speed in the end too much and a little bit spoiled some parts, so that was my mistake, not the printer. But it's fine for this project. Let's wait until the table cools down. Okay, now we need to remove the support structure. Part number 2. Removable middle section. I will need it only for the first side of the model. After I will take it away. Again, remove supports. And the last few parts, wheel arches. Parts are ready. It's time to assemble it. I fixed the wheel arches with the glove camera. I'm gluing the foam to the base, but before gluing it, I cover the foam with tin foil to protect the clay from the foam particles. Now we can add clay. People always ask me in the comments what clay I use. I use Shavantaka style clay. In the next episode we will start to make a rough shape. By the way, if you have an idea of what we can call that episode series, I mean small scale projects, you can write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys, see you!